In this DIY, I'll show you how I used an old coffee can to make this faux marble canister. Let's get started. First, I started with my lid. I traced a plastic plate that I purchased at Dollar Tree onto a piece of cardboard and I cut it out. I used hot glue to secure my cardboard inside my coffee can lid. And I pressed the cardboard to get it as flat as possible. Then I used a box cutter to cut off the excess cardboard from inside the lid. I placed my plate face down onto my cardboard for a dry fit, and then I applied hot glue to secure it. Coffee cans usually have an airtight lid, which means you would have to pull the side to remove it. So I'm using the plate and the cardboard so that I can remove my lid using a knob instead. Next, I removed my label from my coffee can. Once my label was removed, I took my can outside along with my lid and I spray painted them white. I then began adding contact paper that I purchased at Dollar Tree to the side. Once I was done with my can, I finished my lid. I took off the cap of a Christmas ornament. I made a hole in my lid using a box cutter. Before I glued my knob onto the top, I made sure that it would fit inside the hole. Then I attached my Christmas ornament to my lid using Gorilla Hot Glue. And this is what it looked like once I was all done. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss my next DIY.